Contains 1 API pH test kit, 250 test Freshwater Aquarium Water pH test kit, including 1 bottle of testing solution, 1 color card and 1 glass test tube with cap. Helps monitor and adjust pH and prevent invisible water problems that can be harmful to fish. Accurately reads pH 6.0 to 7.6 and helps avoid fish loss. Because different geographies have different tapwater conditions, and different fish need different pH levels to be healthy, API helps measure pH levels and detect pH fluctuation caused by fish waste, uneaten food and addition of tapwater. Use for weekly monitoring and when water or fish problems appear. Top reviews from the United States. Saved my goldfish pearls life. Needed something to combat the acidity of our local village water. Arrived quickly and packaged with care. Was having a hard time getting the pH right, but, with the proper measure listed on the label, the pH is steadily at 7.2. I test weekly and add as needed.